Alright, hello, welcome back. In the last video, we saw how you can set tax system, VAT, catering levy, and all the other different taxes. You can add and remove stuff. You can edit the different staff shifts that you have. We also talked about branches. That is, if you have more than one shop for the same business in different locations, you can be able to add that. In this video, we're going to talk primarily on inventory and specifically emphasize on you understanding how to use the variants here. So in this list, there is products. These are the items that you're selling, and then there is categories. This is where you group different uh, categories. This is where you basically group similar products. So let's go ahead and see what categories can offer you. So there's already a list of empty categories that you can edit, and it's for you to use as an example. So in this case, there are three operations I'm going to use to show you. The first one is the edit, and I can edit the name of this category and say maybe call it chicken, and save that. And then uh, I'll show you also delete. So I'm going to delete this category 1, and I'm going to delete also category 3. Okay, so that's the second one. Deletion is the second operation I'm going to show. So there is a button up here top right. You can see view deleted, so you can be able to see all the items you've deleted. So that just in case you might have forgotten, you might have deleted by mistake, you can restore back that category. So we've deleted category 3, now we can restore it back. And we've deleted category 1, but we don't want to restore it, we want to completely remove it. So this one just works just like your computer recycle bin. So when you go back and visit categories, you'll be able to see that category 3 has been brought back. So we can go ahead and delete that, we don't want it. And we can leave category 2 just for fun, and then we can add now a new category called electronics, just to diversify our list here. Alright, now let's go ahead and show you how to add a product. So adding a product is pretty much straightforward. So the product name, say I'm gonna call it fried chicken, because I want to just add, and I'm hungry by the way, so I just want to add chicken category, a product in the chicken category. The cost, I might say 100, and then the selling price, I'm going to sell it at 500. The product quantity I have in stock right now is a dozen, 12 of them. And then it's going to, as you can see, whatever categories you have saved will be here for you to choose. So I'm going to save it as chicken, and then the taxes for that would be VAT and an additional tax over catering levy, because this is a food business. So, and then the other final thing is the system will notify you if the products have gone in the stock, if these products have gone below a certain threshold. So in this case, I need to be notified if I am under 2 chicken. So that means it will basically notify me to stock my inventory, to add more items into my inventory. So let me save the changes, and once you save that, the list that was empty here has now been filled by a product called fried chicken. And as you can see, you can edit, so it takes you back to the same original form, and you can try to change it. And then there is the view, in case you want to view how many of these fried chicken have been sold. You can see the whole sales report about it. You can delete it, and then it also has the feature of restoring in case you delete it by mistake. Okay, so let's go back, let's go now to product variant. So let's add a variant. So what do we mean by a variant? The form actually guides you. So note that specific instructions are within the text boxes, will be able to lead you on how to define your variant. So in this case, let's define a variant. Say we're talking about a chicken, fried chicken, so I'm going to have a variant that I would sell, and I'll call it half chicken, half fried chicken. Right, and then the cost would be say 50 for me, and I would sell it at 250 because it's half. And then the product size here, not what is asking you, how many units make a whole. So in this case, 2 halves make a whole, like that. So the product tax would be VAT and catering levy, just like the other one. So you save those changes, and you are done. So that means if you sell two of these, one item would be